hotel.
No, it's a house.
Dude, it took a mile to go down the driveway.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the house, but I need a new tank for all my snakes.
I was afraid of that. Well, look at that staircase. Right. How big is this place?
It's 40,000 square feet.
40,000 square feet.
22 bathrooms.
22 bathrooms. No.
Yes, 22.
22 bathrooms?
22. 5 kitchens.
5 kitchens? Who has 5 kitchens and 22 bathrooms? Man, 5 kitchens, you're the man, bro. This is my dream house. They got a kitchen for all 5 meals. There's only 3. Everybody forgets about brunch and dunch. Oh, dunch? Yeah. I guess if you have 5 kitchens, you need 22 bathrooms.
Hi, Paul Blart.
Let's go get some snacks, Paul Blart.
Let's go get your snacks.
You got ice cream? You got a Segway for this place? Dwight, you got steps going downstairs now.
Steps everywhere. This is my favorite, my Superman.
My man. What is that? That's the new Superman.
And then right here, you know the guy, if you ever been to any games, he's like throwing paint everywhere.
Yes.
Flips it around, turns it back around, and then it's a picture.
Yes.
I got this from the guy.
That's awesome. Dude, that's incredible. Look at that.
But back here is jerseys. Kevin Garnett's my favorite player.
Who signed more $100 million contracts, you or Kevin Garnett?
Kevin Garnett did because he played longer.
But you're not done yet.
I'm not done yet. I got about 7, 8 more years.
You got that in you?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to go and chill with my snakes.
Oh, there's Shaquille.
No, this is not Shaquille.
No?
No, it's Jermaine.
Jermaine O'Neal. There's another O'Neal? There is another
2
O'Neal.
O'Neals.
Boy, did you mess that up? There's only one O'Neal in my book. That's Shaq. Wow, this is a cool room.
Well, I love playing pool.
Who's that guy you beat? I beat John Wall.
Really?
Yeah. I beat him once and that was at a quit.
I think he let you win.
No, he didn't let me win. If you know John Wall, he didn't let me win.
Oh, wow.
Marshawn Lynch, I beat him in bowling. And so did I. Yeah. He got so mad he bred his bowling ball. Yeah.
These are like some of my awards.
You got your name on the ball.
So I was the youngest player in history to get 20 and 20. I was 19 years old.
Really?
Long time ago. I was the youngest to get 4,000. I was the youngest to go from 1,000 all the way to 10,000.
What's this guy right here? What is this?
Well, when I played for the Lakers,
Is that a game ball?
how long it takes.